special programs for disaster areas. It's been a rough year for hurricanes, tornadoes, flooding, fires earlier in the year. I can't imagine the pain of having to sift through the remains of your home after such an event, and then to have to deal with putting your life back together and all the bureaucracy that goes along with that. I can help with the housing part. If you live in a presidentially declared major disaster area and your housing was damaged or destroyed, the FHA-C-C-H program will allow you to buy another home with zero down. Even if you were renting a home that was damaged or destroyed, you're eligible for that program. And if you feel it's time to bug out of there and move into a different town, that's okay. You're not required to buy in the same disaster area. The underwriting of these loans is more flexible as well. Special considerations are allowed for job changes and even temporary employment. We can even exclude the mortgage obligation on your destroyed home as long as we can document that you're working with the loan servicer on that and your insurance company to address that mortgage obligation. If your home is damaged but it can be repaired, renovation financing is also available. The FHA-C-C-H program, Fannie Mae's Home Style, and Freddie Mac's Choice renovation programs can provide financing to renovate and remodel your damaged home, all with a very low down payment requirement. I'm licensed to lend in most of the disaster declared areas such as Florida, Hawaii, California. I'm also licensed in Oregon, Washington, and have associates all over the rest of the states who can help. If your loved one has been affected by disaster, reach out. I'd love to help. You can call me 206-915-3742. Email me eric@ericIsMyBanker.com and look for me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just look for Eric is my banker and you'll find me. I hope this information is helpful. Talk to you soon.